lang na makasama itong mga super talented na performers right now. Sobrang napupuno yung heart ko ngayon kasi parang itong stage na to, nag-aalab talaga. So, props sa lahat ng mga nag-perform.
Masaya po na makita lahat dito, magkakasama. Ayun, super saya and nakaka-excite, di ko lang bakit.
Nakita namin sila for the first time, so we are really happy to meet them finally here sa AOS. And I think it's a blessing na yung P-pop groups nandito lahat ngayon. So I mean hindi lahat pero most of the P-pop groups are here. So we're really happy. Thank you so much AOS for finally making this. Thank you so much.
Sobrang enjoy po, grabe lahat na kasama namin, lahat ng artists, lahat ng P-pop. And sobrang enjoy lang po na nandito kami ngayon sa All Out Sundays. Alam ko naman na some of the P-pop groups talagang gusto nila ng bonding and masaya kami ngayon kasi kahit sa short time nagkasama-sama kami dito. Konting usap, konting pansinan, batian, kamusta nagkausap. And thank you so much sa AOS dahil nagawa nila yun. Kaya naman, maraming salamat po. And sana magkaroon pa ng maraming ganitong segment dito sa AOS because we are very welcome and very open to do everything for you guys because ayos dito. Thank you so much. This has been SB19. Thank you so much.